Riley real quick, but be quiet. Say hi to James.
Hi.
Hi, James.
Okay, yeah, she's going slow, not to make him dizzy. Say hi to James, Riley.
Hi.
Okay, bring her on around. Okay, if you guys will be quiet for a minute.
Hello. Is that my man?
Okay. All right, James, you have some questions about problem set 85. This is going to set you up for junior high algebra. So I want you to watch what I do and try to mimic it. In the problem set from 85, you start off with an example, something like this. They say 3/4, and we're going to make it equal. We're going to say it's 6/8. Now you already know that's equal, but if you want to test to make sure it's equal, we're going to use cross products. First of all, products is what you get when you multiply. So we're going to go from a denominator to a numerator. And just simply do a quick multiplication problem. 4 times 6 is 24, and then 8 times 3 is also 24. So here's a way to also prove that we know these fractions are equal to each other without reducing them to their lowest terms. But here's what you're going to do with your cross products. What we're going to do is, let's take this same problem, 3/4. We're going to say that it's equal to something over 8. Now I know you already know the answer 6, but let's pretend it's not that simple. It's some other oddball number. We're going to set up a problem in which you are multiplying across your equal sign. So we're going to take 4 times this unknown number. We don't know what that is, so we're going to write 4 times n. And it should be equal to the opposite side, 8 times 3. Or you could say 3 times 8, it doesn't change. Now, we've done lots of problems. Once you get this set up, we know that eventually we take 8 times 3, which is 24, and we divide it by 4, and we would find that missing number, 6. Here's what I want you to do. First of all, you don't have to simplify this yet. What we're going to do is rewrite the problem. 4n is equal to 8 times 3. And we need to get rid of the 4. We have to do the inverse operation. Here we're multiplying by 4, so to cancel it out, you're going to divide by 4. But I want you to show me that you're actually doing it to both sides. Something I haven't made you show me yet this year, but this really is what we're doing. So we're going to show, let's divide by 4 on both sides. What that means is these 4's cancel each other out to 1. If you take 1 times n, whatever n is, the answer is still going to be n. n over 1 is n. So we're just going to simplify this side to now n. And the reason why I didn't have you go ahead and multiply 8 times 3 is you might be able to cross cancel first, and you can. 4 and 8, 1 and 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 over 1 simplified to 6. When I look in your work to make sure you're getting ready for junior high, I'm going to expect to see what we call the formula. Then that you're showing me how you're isolating your variable by itself by doing the inverse operation to both sides to keep it equal. And then whether you show me all the work here or work it to the side, n equals 6. Okay? So let's throw one more at you. Get this out of the way. Let's say, I'm going to make it pretty simple. 1/4 is equal to 5 over a. You can have a variable on the bottom as well. Still the same thing. Now I know you know 1 times 5 is 5, so we know the answer is going to be 20. Pretend you don't. Multiply like this. That's 1 times a is equal to 4 times 5. You want to isolate the a, so I guess I picked a bad one since it's a 1, but this is how you would do it. 1a equals 4 times 5. Divide both sides by 1 to get rid of them. Those are essentially gone. A is equal equal to 4 times 5 is 20. So I wasn't thinking when I pulled 1, I should have used a 2 or something else. But again, I'm still seeing these 3 steps. Okay, send me an email or give me a call. Let me know if you need help. Good luck.